Well, hello. Today I'm going to do a short video of me welding an extension onto our bird feeders. Well, one of them anyway. The deer keep jumping up and trying to get into the bird seed. So we need to take it up about 18 more inches to keep the deer out of it. And so anyway, right here is the project. You can see on the ground is part of it, and I'm getting ready to weld. This is the welder. I'm going to use my MIG welder today. It's fast and easy, and it's not a critical job, so it's going to be very good and strong, so we can knock this out. So I'll take a few little video shots here so you can see the process. Just hang on. Pretty straight. Okay, I've got it tacked in place, so now I'm just going to turn the camera off so I can go ahead and finish the circumference, and I'll set up the other side. Okay, this is the top half here that I'm putting on. Then pretty much be done except for a little sanding, priming, and painting. So we should have put back up in about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. So anyway, this is the last part of the weld job. Okay, I finished the welding project. I'm going to bring you around to the backyard and show you the finished product. Let me switch the camera. Karen has put up a little entertainment area for Jamin when he comes next week. We've got badminton and horseshoes and a few little things to do here around the house. Oh, pretty good.
Almost. Hard. Oh! Oh!
Close. Camera. All right, there it is, right there. And we've got our other feeders out here. There's Karen. She's getting the badminton net set up for John when he comes next week. I'm Jamin. All right. All right, so that's the second project done for the day.
I'll put him on the higher end.
Okay.
And that way,